welcome to another video. My name is Finn and this is Nails by Finn, and today is going to be sort of a different video. It's a little shorter because I've already shown the full process and how I apply my press-on nails to get longevity out of them. I will try to link that video below, but today this is just to be an aesthetically pleasing video. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and comment down below, and just engage with the video. I really hope that you enjoy it. I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with the first step. I've already prepped in this video. I hope that you enjoy it, and I'll chime in if I have anything else to say. But until then, enjoy this video. after applying that cuticle oil, this is what the nails are looking like. And I absolutely loved how these turned out. I was not expecting them to turn out this good, but like I said, like when you get start getting better, and if you keep practicing and keep staying consistent, you will get better. um, but yes, this is just me showing you, like I got the little butterfly nail. I did do some 3D flowers that I need to honestly do some more practice at, but here is the reveal.